Hey, you got Mark here at Kalleco's Thursday 3. Today we have Avery joining us. Our paper for the day is Belgium Block, one of the oldest building products known to people. We have 3 colors that we keep in stock here. We have the dark, people known as charcoal, or the black Belgium Block. We have the pink, which is a really nice accent color. It's also known as the rose color. We get a request for a fair amount. And then we always have the traditional granite. This product is great for a lot of different applications. Use it for walkways, short retaining walls, curbs. You can use driveway entrances. You see that often a lot. And for our biggest use around here at the nurseries, we like to use it for a doorstop.
Good morning, guys. Today we have Astilbe here at the nursery. We get a lot of questions about shade plants and stuff like that, and Astilbe is great for it. We carry it in a few different colors. There's Visions in pink and Bridal Veil for a few examples for you. They're perfect, deer resistant. They do really well around here, so I definitely recommend them. And we also have as our product the ArtStone Planters. They come in a few different colors. We have these shorter varieties as well, as long as these. We got some big ones. They come in a few colors and they're really good with drainage and they're eco-friendly since they've been recycled, and we definitely recommend them for you guys.
Well, there's your Thursday 3. Have a great day.
Bye.